We are told a rectangle has a perimeter of 32 centimeters. Which of the following could be the length and width of the rectangle? And they tell us to pick two answers. So pause this video, have a go at it before we do it together. All right. Well, one way to do it is just to look at each of these choices and think about what that perimeter would be. So let's say this one right over here. I'm going to draw it small so we have space to do it. So let's say its height is 11 and its width is 5. And so if that's the case, then this other side, this other height on the other side of it, I guess you could say, is also 11. And this top side is also 5. So what's the perimeter going to be? This is going to be 11 plus 5 plus 11 plus 5, which is equal to, let's see, 11 plus 5 is 16. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32 centimeters. So this one does have a perimeter of 32. So it could be the length and width of the rectangle. So I like this one right here. Now let's look at this choice. Okay. And this one I can already have my spidey sense tells me that it's not going to add up because 8 is smaller than 11 and 4 is smaller than 5. So I don't think we're going to get quite to 32 centimeters. So, but let's just double check. So let me draw another rectangle here. So this height is 8, 4. We have another 8. We have 4. Let's add them all together. We have 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4, which is going to be 12 plus 12. And my intuition was right. 12 plus 12 is only 24 centimeters. So we'll rule this one out. So this one is probably going to be the other choice because it says pick two answers. But let's verify that. So we get a rectangle here. So this is 9 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. This would be 9 as well. And then this would be 7. So if we find the perimeter, it'd be 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32 centimeters. So yes, this one is also a correct answer.